guys, Deronda here. Today I'm going to show you how to make smashed roasted potatoes using small Yukon Gold potatoes. We're going to cover with water about an inch from the top. Bring to a boil over medium-high heat. Add a little kosher salt. It's optional. Cook till fork tender. No more than 15 minutes. 15 minutes are up. Turning off my timer. Gonna check my potatoes. Fork tender. You see how that fork goes right in? You don't want them too tender because they'll fall apart on you when you get ready to smash them. We're gonna remove them from the water. Put them over here in a bowl. I've got a paper towel in there to absorb any excess liquid from our boiling water. And then we're going to season these. Remove that paper towel. It's absorbed all that excess liquid. Drizzle with a generous amount of olive oil. Give it a lovely little tossing along with a little fresh cracked pepper. I'm going to keep my seasonings very simple and basic. A little kosher salt. And we're just going to toss them around. If you want to add fresh minced garlic or garlic powder or thyme or rosemary, you can at this time. I've taken a baking sheet that I've lined with tin foil. Makes it a lot easier to clean up. I'm going to add my potatoes on here. Strategically arrange them here on your pan. On the bottom of a flat glass or ramekin, we're going to press them to a 1/2 inch thick. And I've got my oven preheated to 425 degrees right now. If it starts sticking on the bottom, you can just add a little olive oil. Off to that preheated oven on the middle rack for the next 30 minutes. Use your timer and no peeking. Mashed roasted potatoes completed. And listen to them sizzle. Oh, they're going to be scrumptious. If you want them more crispy, bake them a little longer. If you don't want them as crispy, bake them less. They're cooled down enough to where I can handle them. And I'm going to show you how lovely and crunchy that is. And look how lovely and tender it is on the inside. Kind of like a smashed French fry. Crunchy on the outside, tender on the inside. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Hope you give these smashed roasted potatoes a try. Would go excellent with your Thanksgiving Day side dish or for any day of the year. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, and I'll catch you lovely people later.